Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told to suppose that the graphs of f of x is equal to x squared and g of x is equal to 2 to the x are drawn on a coordinate grid where the unit of measurement is 1 inch. Show that at a distance of 2 feet to the right of the origin, the height of the graph of f is 48 feet, but the height of the graph of g is about 265 miles. So if we're 2 feet to the right of the origin, that means that measured in inches, we are 2 feet times 12 inches per foot, 24 inches, or x equals to 24 away from the origin. Therefore, to look at the heights of the graph at this point, we have to compare f of 24 to g of 24 by plugging in 24 into these equations. So f of 24 is 24 squared, which is 576. This is measured in inches. So again, doing the same conversion, 1 foot is 12 inches. Therefore, 576 divided by 12 is 48 feet. For g of 24, it's 2 to the 24. This is 16,777,216 inches, which at the same conversion rate is roughly 1,398,101 feet at a rate of 1 mile being 5,280 feet. This number divided by 5,280 is roughly 264.7, which the book rounds to 265 miles. So yes, these two graphs, measured in inches, at an x value of 24, rise to 48 feet and 265 miles, respectively.